Guys, how are in the kitchen again today? I was supposed to cook this soup, but she is going to cook it. She is going to cook it without our garden eggs, and the fish is frying in the pot. Got the balance. How are you count the fish? About that. Guys, our fish is frying. This is our onion, tomato, see the onion, our groundnuts, our maggies and seasonings, our garden eggs, beating the pepper. So I think I should help. I should help. Guys, Fatmata is here. Fatmata is here. So Fatmata, what do you when make you know the kind of here again? You dey see me, you know they talk to me. What happened? Huh?
I won't bet.
Nothing. Guys, I see Fatmata. Fatmata said I did nothing to her. Fatmata is very quiet and shy. But she just stopped coming here. You see her? So the grandma went and brought her because I've sent for her so many times she was not there. No, I won't let you talk. I don't let you afraid. If I do something, tell me. What are you doing? Or what you doing now? Because for anyone, Father Njebe, Precious, JT, Nora, anybody, mommy, wait till anybody, how are they? Everybody do. Then do something. Nora. My name Nora. Hey, on all this stop me videos now, Nora Musu. So Fatmata, wait up now. Okay, I'm not doing nothing. But why? Why all 10? So the first school open where you can newly. You they come now house. I need to give lunch. I need to give food. Why now you cut off? You be seeing yourself, you know they greet me. What happened? Don't worry about the mommy, they ask you where me, they say are they greet me, mommy, and I say they go like family, come here. Huh? Fatmata? Yeah. Oh, now like you not like me. Eh? I like you not like me. You like me? I like you not like me, oh. Fatmata, I about me. You for you baby about me. Top you must say the right. Oh, about me, yeah, dear. Baby about me. Come on, about me. You know you want there. Pero mo então about me. There no. Ukorani. Please, I don't do. Mommy wants to say they run for me. I don't know, we person not like you, not force. So now make a left for more. Come on, change go. So guys, the grandmother has talked to me, has begged me for me to be accommodating Fatmata again, and have you accepted? She's an orphan. She's an orphan, she needs help, but I think she's too shy. She's too quiet. So does it. But everything, maybe you'll be seeing her in my videos if she'll be coming. Because Friday they can't there all day. We make in company and go left am. So you see, I am here, yo. So go back my class, yeah. Momo, yo. So guys, this is our onion and tomato.
Everything is sad.
Fish is frying. So stay tuned as we are coming to cook our boiled soup. Boiled soup, groundnut soup. Stay tuned. This is our fish. So our boiled stew is going to be sweet. Our groundnut boiled soup is going to be delicious, guys. It's going to be superb. Our onion. So here is our groundnut and our garden eggs. Our mokabi. Our kobo. You look at video.
Let's see, put that.
Coca. And we are putting out our seasonings and our groundnuts. We are not putting water yet. I can't give me money. Oh.
Don't forget.
So just now she's there. Everyone again. Guys, why we put our groundnut? Come. Because we want the groundnut to scatter very well. Yes. What did again? Beets? Divine? Oh, you want that in a pademba? Even me try, me see. Now the shake where they shake am. I come to tell. So at this junction we need to put water.
Look at it.
Let's just put it to. Shubiana, go down. Make it in down. Yeah, everything is small. So guys, come with the pepper. See? Everything is smashed, it's cooked. Our onion and garlic eggs, water. Now we are putting our pepper. Tomatoes. Tomatoes is fine.
Remember that?
It's fine. Guys, we have put all our ingredients. Water. Guys, all our ingredients are inside. I see. Yeah. So. Guys, awesome. I get the opportunity. Let me. I don't want to do, guys, our groundnut soup. I don't want to do shameful places if you understand it. Guys, this is our groundnut soup. Let me pass a spoon on there. Where's the spoon? Where's the spoon? Okay. Cuts. Guys, are you seeing our soup? Are you seeing our soup? Guys, everything here is cooked. We just want it to boil a little, at least 3 to 4 minutes, and we'll put our final ingredients.
As is fish.
Guys, this soup is so sweet. So why?
This is so sweet. Rather soup is wasting us.
Yes, this soup is so sweet, guys. Aye. The spoon is short. Mr. Sise. Oh, Mr. Sise. Guys, time to put the fish. Guys, it's smoke. Time to put our fish now. Hey, me, we don't go and pass to that picky day. I can't show you inside. Guys, our soup is ready. It's cooked. We are just putting this for 1 minute for a little. Why? It's guys, are you seeing what I'm saying? Are you seeing this delicious soup? Guys, so this is how we cook our groundnut boiled soup. Groundnut soup. Guys, if you taste this, you don't want to leave it. Guys, are you seeing this groundnut soup? This groundnut soup is so delicious, guys. Come on, eat. Come on, eat. Come. Let me tell you, come just hire me to come and be your chef. I'll cook for you deliciously. Deliciously. This is what we call groundnut soup. Guys. Yes, sir. Then say you tell the beginning and say me then come.
Let me tell you, come on. I said they can't you.
What is it? Okay. Okay.